Hello friends, welcome to our channel Beyond Imagination. So today we are going to compare two triggers, routine and habit versus inaction. If you want to know a little more about BI trigger cards, please send us the comment, and based on your comment we will make one more video dedicatedly prepared for BI trigger cards. Let's get started. So you can see these two pictures. Right now both looks similar, but now you can see one picture is moving. So how are we going to describe these pictures? So the first one should be described like he cooks delicious Chinese food, and the second one should be described like he is cooking delicious Chinese food now. So second picture is an action which is going on, and this is the first picture is actually a routine that he follows. In action trigger, we can see M is R plus verb ing, and in routine and habit trigger, we can see a verb after subject. Let's see some more examples. Okay, now which picture do you think that will have some movement? Second picture, because it has M is R plus verb ing. Baking. Okay, so he is baking delicious pizza, and he bakes delicious pizza. It's his routine. Let's see some more examples. They are having lunch together. You can see some movements are there. They have lunch together. It's their routine. Okay, now let's guess which picture will move, first or second. Yes, you're right. First picture will move because it has verb ing in it, and it indicates some action in it. Now let's guess one more. Which picture will move, first or second? Of course, the first one. Absolutely right. Let's go to the next example. Which picture will move, first or second? This time it is second. He is chopping an onion skillfully. That's his action, okay, which is happening now. And he chops an onion skillfully. It's his routine. Let's go to the next example. The squirrel is eating nuts quickly. It is an action which is happening now. And the squirrel eats nuts quickly. It's routine. Now let's guess where can you see some dance movement? They are dancing rhythmically, or they dance rhythmically. Which one will move, first or second? Yeah, your guess is correct. First one. Now let's dance with them. Okay. Now let's see some more examples. We are going to see some stative verbs which will not change or which will not have any ing form, but sometimes there are few exceptions. So let's see how these verbs will react when ing verbs comes. I am having a car versus I have a car. Which one is the correct answer? Absolutely right. I have a car. It's a correct answer. Is there any exception? Yes. I am having lunch. It is also correct at some point. In this at this time, we use having as eating, which indicates some action in sense. So that's correct at one point. Okay, like this we have a lot of examples. So enjoy all these examples, learn from them, and see you in the next video.